care about their facial structure, especially who don't want, a lot of people are concerned with like, what's going on with my skin? A lot of women and men are like putting all this stuff on to figure out how to get rid of the droopy eyes. It's actually a facial muscle issue.
Dr. Andrew Huberman's profound insights serve as a guiding light. His deep insights reveal the intricate relationship between our breathing habits, diet, and exercise routines and their impact on our facial features. In pursuing attractiveness and a well-defined jawline, we often overlook the subtle yet powerful impact of our breathing habits on our facial features. Dr. Andrew Huberman delves deep into the connection between nasal breathing and facial aesthetics, shedding light on the intricate relationship between respiration and the shape of our face. Mouth breathing, as Huberman emphasizes, is a silent culprit in distorting our facial structure. This seemingly harmless habit, when chronic or habitual, can lead to significant alterations in the face's shape and development, particularly in children. Huberman recounts a poignant case of a young girl who developed allergies to her pet hamster, forcing her to breathe through her mouth. When her parents identified the issue and removed the allergen, the damage was already done. Improper tongue positioning due to mouth breathing had elongated her face and resulted in a narrower upper jaw and dental arch. However, the story takes a positive turn when the girl reverts to nasal breathing and adopts proper tongue positioning. The key, Huberman insists, lies in our ability to recognize any deviations in breathing or jaw position promptly. Addressing these issues early significantly reduces the time and effort required to restore an attractive facial shape and regular breathing habits. One must be aware of the complex mechanisms involved to comprehend the significance of nasal breathing fully. Unlike mouth breathing, which filters our air, nasal breathing is a natural filter. The cilia, resembling tiny hairs, line the nasal passages. They capture dust, pollutants, and pathogenic microorganisms, preventing them from entering the lungs. Additionally, nasal breathing regulates the airflow, ensuring a consistent and optimal supply of oxygen to our bodies. Nasal breathing offers the crucial advantage of regulating airflow, ensuring a steady and ideal oxygen supply to our bodies. A significant benefit of nasal breathing is the production of nitric oxide, NO, a gas that dilates blood vessels, improving blood flow and oxygen absorption. This biological phenomenon not only benefits the cardiovascular system, but also plays a vital role in maintaining healthy facial tissues. Sustaining the suppleness and radiance of our skin is closely related to our facial look and requires proper blood circulation and oxygenation. When we breathe through our nose, the air passes through a labyrinth of nasal turbinates, warming and humidifying the incoming air, making it more suitable for our lungs. This natural conditioning process prevents irritation of the respiratory passages, reducing the risk of infections and inflammation. Beyond its physiological benefits, nasal breathing has a profound psychological impact on our mental state and self-confidence. Individuals who practice nasal breathing tend to exude calmness and composure, attributes that are inherently attractive. The tranquility achieved through controlled, rhythmic breathing transcends mere physical appearance, influencing how others perceive us and, more importantly, how we perceive ourselves. Stress and anxiety have become commonplace in our lives, and mastering the art of nasal breathing has become an invaluable tool for mental well-being. Dr. Huberman suggests a simple yet effective breathing exercise to calm down and decrease anxiety quickly. The technique involves a double inhale through the nose until the lungs are filled, followed by a slow, deliberate exhale. This practice not only reduces stress, but also enhances facial relaxation, contributing to a more appealing look. Andrew Huberman highlights the various advantages of nasal breathing, both in terms of physiological and psychological well-being. Nasal breathing promotes healthier facial tissues and improves oxygenation, nitric oxide generation, and air filtration. It also contributes to increased self-esteem and the perception of attractiveness, which makes it a crucial aspect of general well-being.
Frankly, a lot of people who are really overweight or even mildly overweight who have sleep apnea have more anxiety because they're not getting rid of CO2.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So they're literally suffocating in sleep, and you'll see these people, they're mouth breathers. Not even necessarily just people who are overweight. So it's not good to be a mouth breather.
Interestingly, nasal breathing is closely linked to weight management and sleep quality, which is pivotal in determining our attractiveness. Huberman highlights a lesser-known connection between nasal breathing and weight-related anxiety. Overweight individuals, particularly those suffering from conditions like sleep apnea, often experience heightened anxiety due to elevated carbon dioxide (CO2) levels during sleep. This suffocating sensation, caused by improper breathing patterns, amplifies anxiety and stress levels, further exacerbating weight-related concerns. Addressing sleep apnea and adopting nasal breathing can alleviate this physiological distress, leading to improved sleep quality and reduced anxiety levels. Huberman recommends avoiding mouth breathing, especially during cardio exercises, and opting for nasal breathing. This simple adjustment not only enhances workout performance, but also ensures consistent oxygen intake, optimizing the body's metabolic processes and contributing to a healthier physique. To encourage nasal breathing during sleep, Huberman suggests a practical solution: taping the mouth shut with athletic tape. Another prevalent issue affecting both sleep quality and facial aesthetics is snoring. Apart from the apparent disturbances it causes to partners, snoring poses a significant threat to our facial structure. Huberman explains the adverse effects of snoring, particularly its contribution to narrowing the airway, resulting in a receding chin and a weak jawline. The increased respiratory effort during snoring also strains the facial and neck muscles, potentially leading to changes in muscle tone and appearance. Moreover, snoring-induced sleep disruption can lead to blood vessel dilation and pooling. Huberman emphasizes the importance of early intervention. By identifying and rectifying these habits, individuals can prevent the gradual deterioration of their facial features. It ensures a youthful and appealing appearance for years to come. As Dr. Huberman emphasizes, snoring is a widespread issue and poses significant threats to facial aesthetics. By understanding the adverse effects of snoring and taking steps to mitigate its impact, individuals can safeguard their facial features and maintain a youthful, attractive appearance. While breathing habits play a significant role in shaping our facial features, our dietary choices also exert considerable influence.
Yeah, so there's a wild book called Jaws, A Hidden Epidemic, by colleagues of mine at Stanford, and they have these twin studies.
Dr. Huberman highlights the correlation between diet and jawline appearance, emphasizing the cultural shift toward consuming soft foods. He refers to the book Jaws, The Story of a Hidden Epidemic, which explores the impact of our dietary habits on our dental and facial structures. Huberman shares insights from a twin study, a compelling testament to the profound effects of diet on facial development. In this study, one child consumed soft foods like juices, baby puree, and processed foods, while another embraced tough foods that demanded rigorous chewing. The results were striking. The child who consumed solid foods developed a well-defined jawline and a proper facial structure with high cheekbones. In contrast, the child who consumed soft foods exhibited a droopy face shape, sunken eyes, and crooked teeth. This illuminating example underscores the pivotal role of diet in shaping our facial structure. Huberman urges individuals to prioritize fresh and hard foods, such as vegetables and fruits, for those seeking non-surgical methods to enhance their facial features and achieve a well-defined jawline. Jaw muscle training offers a promising solution.
You know, and so when we see, now there's the Jawzerciser is really big in Hollywood. That and peptides are like taking over.
Wait, Jawzerciser?
Yeah, they have these like things where like,
Bouncy mouthpiece.
yeah.
Huberman introduces the Jawzerciser, an innovative exercise device popular in Hollywood, designed specifically for the face, jaw, and neck. This tool enables individuals to strengthen the muscles responsible for facial aesthetics and jaw stability. Another practical approach to jaw muscle training involves chewing gum, particularly tough gum that demands significant effort. People often use mastic gum to strengthen their jaw muscles and improve their facial structure. Dr. Andrew Huberman reaffirms the efficacy of jaw muscle training with tough gum, emphasizing its potential to not only shift mouth-breathing habits, but also redefine the jawline and enhance facial aesthetics. Selecting suitable chewing gum for this purpose is crucial. It should be sturdy enough to provide practical jaw muscle training, offering tangible results within a reasonable time frame. By combining jaw muscle training with corrected nasal breathing, individuals can journey to attain their desired facial features in as little as 2 to 3 months. Jaw muscle training presents a non-invasive method for improving facial features. The Jawzrsizer and Tough Chewing Gum offer accessible tools to enhance jaw muscles, redefine the jawline, and shift from mouth to nasal breathing. By combining these techniques with corrected nasal breathing, individuals can take charge of their appearance and achieve their desired facial features within a relatively short time frame. Pursuing facial attractiveness and a well-defined jawline is a multifaceted journey containing breathing habits, diet, and exercise. Dr. Andrew Huberman's insights offer a comprehensive guide to achieving these goals while promoting overall well-being. To attain facial attractiveness, every breath, every bite, and every exercise holds the potential for transformation. Dr. Andrew Huberman's insights provide a roadmap to navigate this path, offering a comprehensive approach to not only enhance one's appearance, but also improve overall health and well-being. By combining these techniques with corrected nasal breathing, individuals can take charge of their appearance and achieve their desired facial features within a relatively short time frame.